There is no doubt that Singaporeans love to eat. A small country with a big appetite, food is a cornerstone of Singapore's multicultural identity. While Singaporeans would travel across the country for the best hawker food, most do not consider how much further the ingredients have to travel to get onto their plate. Agropolis is a vision for a new kind of urban food security, imagining Singapore as an agricultural metropolis. The unremitting trends of growing populations, diminishing water supply, and urbanization have resulted in the loss of arable land per person. Rising demand and flat supplies have been accelerated by pandemics, exposing weak points in the global food supply chain. Singapore has successfully weathered many crises through its strategic partnerships, national stockpiles, and diversified food portfolio. However, climate change poses new challenges which cannot be solved by the continued reliance on foreign countries, and Singapore must find new ways to strengthen its local food production. With the country targeting a 30% local production of nutritional needs by 2030, its high-density urban environment necessitates land-efficient agriculture. Agropolis demonstrates how we can integrate urban agriculture into neighbourhoods and strengthen national food security through decentralised food hubs. It reimagines food security as an opportunity to connect local communities with food production. Our lives will take place in 45-minute cities and 20-minute towns, with car-light initiatives reducing our reliance on private transport and road infrastructure. Agropolis envisions public housing, multi-storey car parks as repurposed food hubs, transforming infrastructure into a thriving and active public space. With a flexible kit of parts, Agropolis can easily adapt to different car park dimensions and contextual opportunities. The farm module layout is optimized through computational solar analysis and parametric modeling to ensure crops receive ample sunlight. Structural reinforcement supports the addition of the modules, using the existing grid to maximize the use of space. Photovoltaic roof panels pivot to harvest excess sunlight while shading crops, or help divert rainwater to collecting tanks during a downpour. Artificial intelligence systems monitor farming processes, while robotics and automation reduce manpower. Our children and elderly will have safe and accessible above-ground connectivity via elevated linkways. Our communities will take ownership of garden spaces and deepen the relationship between people and their food. An economic model focused on circular agriculture considers a whole system approach, producing and distributing agricultural products while turning the resulting food waste from our neighbourhoods into valuable resources such as fertilizer and mushroom substrate. Agropolis grows in phases, allowing for knowledge and community engagement to bear fruit over time. Our neighbourhoods will transform into layered, multi-use spaces, integrating the food value chain into public infrastructure, enabling resilient food systems and the next generation of sustainable housing. Singapore will be a livable and resilient city. Architecture and technology will inform low-energy, high-productivity urban agriculture, harmonizing natural systems with our built environment. Agropolis will take root in neighbourhoods across the island, ensuring that Singapore can usher in a new age of food security and cultivate long-lasting, sustainable lifestyles.